Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the Page Not Found template and explore its contents. To install Page Not Found, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, you can reduce abandonment when a user enters the wrong URL, selects a broken link, or attempts to access a page that no longer exists. A good sample page can improve navigation and point the user back in the right direction. When ready, select Install. After installation, head to the Pages section. The template adds a sample 404 error page that you can find here. Head to the page. This sample structure is just a starting point, as the page is fully customizable. You may choose to keep the rich text block and call to action, edit them, or add more content to enhance the user experience. In this example, we have added a page background that we created in Adobe Creative Suite. We have also updated the rich text, call to action, and added some useful links. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.